Hello, this is Liz. Welcome to my little urban homestead. I enjoyed myself that much this morning making that shirt, blouse that you saw me do. I carried on and made a pair of leggings. So I'm back upstairs now in the sewing room and I'm going to make a dress with the same principle in mind. But this material you saw where on me mini fabric haul, there's about 3-4 meters, something like that of it, and it's about 60 inches wide, so they're going to be fairly long sleeves on it. But I'm going to make it exactly the same as I did with the blouse shirt, but make it longer so it will come to the floor. And I'll still have a load left, so I might even make another top as well. But we'll see. So I've gone through with you the cutting out of the blouse, and this is going to be exactly the same. So I won't show you the cutting out. I'll just show you the differences that I'm thinking of doing to this. So see you in a minute. I've cut this out the same as the shirt blouse that we did, but I cut it a lot longer so it'll become a maxi dress. I'd sewed it so far down and then realised I think I want to split in it. So I'm going to unpick some of this. Plus, I thought, just below the bust line, or level with the bust line, I want to put a belt round the back so it'll tie and bring it in slightly. So I'll have to unpick that little bit. But this is what happens when you haven't got a pattern. You come up with different ideas and you alter it. So for the belt, the sides that I cut out of the material, when I was cutting the shirt out, you've got the sides that you don't cut out, because obviously the top bit is the sleeves. So I've just cut them into 10-inch wide strips, and I'm just going to sew them together. Don't know whether to just sew them together in a tube. I think I'll just sew them together in a tube and then flip the tube right side out and top stitch it, and I'll show you that at the machine. Trying yet another angle. You'll notice there's a different foot on my machine because this material is very slippy. I want both of them to be taken in, and the feed dogs don't really do that. They take the bottom ones in and the top one follows, and I wanted to take both in. And a walking foot is very good for taking the top material and the bottom in at the same rate. So I'll just do these. It's whatever seam allowance you want to give it. And I'm doing nice long ones, I think. Your machine is noisier when you have a walking foot on it. I took these to the sewing machine. As you can see, I've still got the tails on them. I sewed them round the bottom, along the sides, turn them so it's right side out, and then I've top stitched across the end and down both the sides. I did that with both pieces of material. Then I put the dress on to find out where I wanted them to actually go, and pinned one on. So I now know I've got to open the seam up between there so I can slide it in. So that's what I'm going to do now, and then I'll close the seam with these belt straps actually in it, and I'll show you that anyway as soon as I've opened the seams up. I've opened the seam up just enough to fit the pot of the belt in it. I've marked on the belt roughly where I want it to go, because this is going to be the inside. I told you they were too long, but it doesn't matter. And that's where I want it to go. Well then, pins there. It doesn't have to be exact. As near as you can get it is perfectly fine. No one's going to come along with a tape measure and say, only half a centimetre or half an inch out. Take it under it. No one's even going to notice. And just pin them in your seam. Now, take it to your sewing machine and sew down, and you've got to remember this is where you unpicked the seam to. So start about an inch before that, back tack, lock your stitches down and try and sew over your stitches, so that'll help to hold them in place. I am also going to reverse stitch a bit at the top and the bottom of the belt, because that's where it's going to be extra strain, and I'm going to come down further, more than an inch, back tack, so my seam won't come undone. And where is it? With the other side. And as you can see, that is what I've done with this other side, and we're on the inside. This is the bit that's left, so I'll sew that, and then I'll sew this other one on, and then I'm going to zigzag down it, I think, put slits in it, same as I do in the blouse tops, but obviously not as high because this is going to be a dress. And so I'll figure out where I want them and do slits to there, and then it's done. So I'll show you when it's all done.